Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm busy frying off some rotis. I didn't make the rotis, I ordered it from my very good friend Naima Isaacs, and she sells it. And I thought, you know what? To save time, I'm going to buy from her, and she makes it very delicious. And she dropped it off, and yeah, I'm busy rolling out. So all I did was make the curry. This is the lamb curry. And Shelley, it's her last day today. It's Shelley's last day today. She's going home to Eastern Cape, and she's coming back next year. And I thought, you know what? Let's make something lekker to eat. Shelley, you told me something very interesting. Wag, die lig is bad so. What you gonna make when you get home?
Oh.
You cook for how many people?
I cook maybe 12, 13 people, I think. Yeah.
Breakfast, lunch and supper?
Yeah, I make breakfast porridge in the breakfast. And then I cook some and beans in the lunch. Then supper, maybe I cook a rice and chicken.
Lekker. Yes. Every day?
Every day.
Yo, nice man. You must make a video and send me pictures, please, because I wish I was with you.
No problem, I will.
Look at that lovely flake of that roti, man. Ooh, buttery and flaky. Yummy in my tummy. Guys, for the full video tutorial of this lamb curry, it's the video is posted on my channel. There we go. And here's Fatima. He's gonna dish now for them. Lekker. Here's Opa dishing. The people wanted to know Opa's name. Opa is Uncle Clive, Mr. Clive Joshua. That's Opa's name. And every year we have treat Opa to a wonderful Christmas. I bought a Christmas tree years ago, and we put it up for Christmas for Opa. And Opa helped decorate it and everything. I'm going to show you guys that as well. Roti. Yeah, it's end of year. We're not having a staff party, we're having a roti and curry party. Lekker, man. So here's the Christmas tree we put up for Opa. Look there. I bought all the ornaments as well. Skiff to see a lump. And I make sure every year Opa has a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Look lekker.
Finger looking good.
What is the next meal? What's the next meal I must make for you? Okay, you going home, Shelley? You must gonna stay here. What do you crave for, my baby? What kind of food?
Punchy curry.
Woo! Punchy curry. Yeah. We're gonna make. Definitely, we're gonna make. Phew! Suiker bunches. Suiker bunches.
You seen something using the phone.
Did you hear that? What Opa said now?
Yes.
Your phone sitting after 2 o'clock afternoon.
Opa, what must I make Opa next?
I don't know.
What do you list for?
Oh, the beans curry will be nice.
No, roti or rice?
Rice.
Rice, I'll make rice and roti. No? Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that potato. Soft. Yummy in my tummy. Yes, Shelley, you're going away. I'm going to miss you so much. And I want to say thank you for everything. This year has been tough and you've stood by me through it all. You've taken care of me. You were there when I was at my downest and you helped me. You lifted me up. You spoke to me. You carried me. You did everything for me. Thank you so much, Shelley. I am so grateful, thankful. I appreciate you so much and I love you so much and I want you to have the best holiday ever. You deserve it.
Thank you so much. Also, I say thank you for you. You're doing everything for me, everything, and enjoy the Christmas. And I'm happy for the good news.
Yes, the good news for my cancer guys.
Enjoy this Christmas.
We can all enjoy ourselves now and just relax. When we got to the good news yesterday, afterwards we all went to go sleep for the first time. We slept, went to go sleep early, woke up the next day from the relief. So yes, guys, we'll be back again with another video soon to be continued. Bye everyone. Bye.